Welcome to Species Stories. Today, we are going to discuss the incredible life of the Indian peafowl, a true symbol of beauty, survival, and nature's artistry. From a tiny egg to a magnificent bird, this is a journey you don't want to miss. Let's begin. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel, and stay tuned for more amazing stories from the natural world. The life of the Indian peafowl begins quietly on the ground, in the warm landscapes of the Indian subcontinent, where this magnificent bird has its origin. In places filled with dry forests, open grasslands, and farmlands near water, a peahen carefully selects a hidden spot beneath thick bushes or tall grass to lay her eggs. She lays a small clutch, usually between 3 and 6, and with patience and instinct, she incubates them for about 4 weeks, rarely leaving except briefly to feed. This silent dedication marks the beginning of a life shaped by both beauty and survival. When the eggs finally hatch, tiny pea chicks emerge, covered in soft brown down that helps them blend perfectly into their surroundings. Within hours, they are able to walk, their eyes alert to a world filled with danger. From the very beginning, survival is not guaranteed. Snakes glide silently through the grass, birds of prey scan from the sky, and mammals such as foxes or wild cats wait for an opportunity. The mother stays constantly vigilant, guiding her young, teaching them where to find food, and showing them how to stay hidden by freezing in place when danger approaches. As days pass, the chicks begin to grow stronger and more curious. They explore their surroundings, pecking at seeds, grains, insects, and tiny creatures, slowly learning the skills needed to survive. Indian peafowl are omnivores, and this flexible diet plays a major role in their survival. They are not traditional hunters, but they are clever opportunists, quick enough to catch insects, small reptiles, and even young snakes. This ability to feed on a wide variety of food allows them to adapt to changing environments, whether during the abundance of the monsoon season or the dryness of summer. Within a couple of weeks, the chicks begin attempting short flights, fluttering up to low branches, strengthening their wings little by little. During this early stage, both males and females look almost identical, covered in dull brown and gray feathers that act as natural camouflage. This is one of nature's untold strategies. Before beauty comes survival, and before display comes protection. As months turn into years, the young peafowl begin to show differences. The males slowly and patiently undergo one of the most remarkable transformations in the animal kingdom. Over 1 to 3 years, they develop their iconic train, long shimmering feathers that are often mistaken for a tail. These feathers are decorated with eye-like patterns called ocelli, glowing in shades of blue, green, and gold. Each year, the train becomes longer and more vibrant, reflecting the health and strength of the bird. The females, on the other hand, remain modest in appearance, with earthy tones that help them remain hidden from predators, especially during nesting. This contrast between male and female is not accidental. It is a perfect balance between attraction and survival. In adulthood, the peacock becomes a living display of nature's artistry. During the breeding season, its behavior changes dramatically. It selects an open area and begins its courtship ritual, one of the most mesmerizing sights in the natural world. The peacock spreads its magnificent train into a wide fan, shimmering under sunlight, and vibrates the feathers to produce a soft rustling sound. It circles the peahen, turning slowly to ensure every angle catches the light. This display is more than just beauty. It is a signal of strength, genetic fitness, and endurance. Only the healthiest males can maintain such elaborate feathers, making this performance a silent competition among rivals. If the peahen is impressed, mating occurs, and the cycle of life begins once again. Inside the body of the peafowl lies a system perfectly designed for survival. Its heart beats efficiently to support bursts of activity, especially during displays or escape from predators. Its lungs, supported by air sacs, allow it to breathe effectively and sustain short but powerful flights. Unlike mammals, it does not have teeth. Instead, food is stored in the crop and then ground in the gizzard. Its strong legs allow it to walk long distances and even run quickly when threatened. The crest on its head, often admired for beauty, also plays a role in communication and sensory awareness. These internal and external features together form a highly adapted organism capable of thriving in diverse conditions. Although the Indian peafowl originated in the Indian subcontinent, including India, Sri Lanka, and parts of Pakistan and Nepal, its journey did not remain limited to these regions. Through human admiration and introduction, it spread across the world. Today, it can be found in places far beyond its original home, including the United States, particularly in states like Florida and California, as well as in Australia, South Africa, and parts of Europe. In these new lands, it has shown remarkable adaptability, living in parks, gardens, estates, and rural landscapes. Unlike many birds, Indian peafowl do not migrate long distances, but they do move locally in search of food, water, and safer habitats when conditions change. Daily life for the peafowl is a balance between feeding, social interaction, and avoiding danger. During the day, they roam the ground in small groups, foraging and staying alert. Their loud, echoing calls are an important part of their behavior, used to warn others of predators, communicate within the group, or even signal changes in weather. This is one of the lesser-known aspects of their nature. Despite their graceful appearance, they are vocal and expressive birds. At night, they fly up to tall trees to roost, a crucial survival strategy that keeps them safe from ground predators. Their ability to remember safe locations and return to them shows a level of intelligence often overlooked. Throughout its life, the peafowl faces many challenges. Predators remain a constant threat, especially to young chicks. Human activities such as habitat destruction and urban expansion also affect their survival. Yet in many cultures, especially in India, the peafowl is protected and even revered, often living close to human settlements where it is admired rather than hunted. Another untold truth about the peafowl is its role in maintaining ecological balance. By feeding on insects and small pests, it helps control populations that could otherwise harm crops, quietly supporting agriculture and the environment. As years pass, time begins to leave its mark. The once vibrant peacock, whose feathers once shimmered brilliantly in sunlight, starts to age. Its movements become slower, its displays less frequent, and its feathers lose some of their shine. Younger, stronger males take its place during breeding seasons, continuing the cycle of life. In the wild, a peafowl typically lives around 15 to 20 years, though in protected environments, it may live longer. Eventually, the bird reaches the final stage of its journey. It may retreat to a quieter area, away from competition and noise, spending its last days in relative calm. Whether its end comes from natural aging, illness, or predation, it fades back into the same earth from which it began. And yet, its story does not truly end. The legacy of the Indian peafowl continues through its offspring, through the ecosystems it helped sustain, and through the admiration it inspires in humans across the world. From a fragile egg hidden in grass to a magnificent bird symbolizing beauty, resilience, and nature's creativity, the life of the Indian peafowl is a journey of transformation. It is a story where survival meets splendor, where instinct meets elegance, and where every stage of life, from birth to death, carries a quiet but powerful meaning. Somewhere in a patch of grass under the warm sun, another peahen prepares her nest, and the timeless story begins all over again. And so the story comes full circle, where every ending is just the beginning of a new life in nature.
If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.